Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2, which consists of Divisi Cilasari, Awaliyah, Fadya, Yuniar, and Sana'a Bagwabair. In here, we will explain how to calculate PPH 21, Category B, with using Excel. In here, we have a study case that we will discuss. So, in here, Mr. Rudy is married and has one child. Mr. Rudy works in PT Seluingi and earns a salary of 10 million rupiah per month, as well as the benefits of 5 million rupiah per month. The company is part of BPJS Employment Program, which are the Employers' Employment Accidents Insurance or JKK premiums, the Death Insurance Premiums or JKM, and the Age Insurance Allowance or JHT are paid by the employer each month in the amount of 2%, 0.30%, and 3.70% of salary respectively. Mr. Rudy pays a pension of 100,000 rupiah per month. In the month of June 2023, Mr. Rudy obtained a THR of 10 million rupiah. So, in the month of June 2023, Mr. Rudy received payments in the form of salary of 10 million rupiah and the THR in the amount of 10 million rupiah. Then, in the December 2023, Mr. Rudy received a bonus of 10 million rupiah, so that in the December 2023, Mr. Rudy received payment in the form of a salary of 10 million rupiah and a bonus of 10 million rupiah. So, how much PPS Article 21 must Mr. Rudy pay?
For the calculation, first, we enter the salary that Mr. Rudy earns worth to 10 million rupiah per month. Mr. Rudy also gets dependents of 5 million rupiah every month. Also, in the month of June 2023, Mr. Rudy obtained a THR or tunjangan hari raya of 10 million rupiah. Then, in December 2023, Mr. Rudy received a bonus of 10 million rupiah. For JKK premiums is 2% or equal to 200,000 rupiah from salary. And JKM premiums is 0.30% or equal to 30,000 rupiah from the salary. And the last is JHT premiums is 3.70% or equal to 370,000 rupiah, which must be paid every month. Mr. Rudy also has his own pension contribution which must be paid every month in the amount of 100,000 rupiah. After that, here we will get the total gross income for each month. From gross income, we can find out what rate PPH 21 must be paid by Mr. Rudy every month. In January to May, Mr. Rudy had to pay PPH 21 tax of 6%. In June, Mr. Rudy had to pay 9% tax because he received THR or tunjangan hari raya of 10 million rupiah. Then, in July to November, Mr. Rudy again has to pay PPH 21 tax of 6%. For December, we will calculate it first, then here we will get the total or amount of PPH 21 tax that Mr. Rudy has to pay every month, and we can also find out the amount of take-home pay that Mr. Rudy gets every month.
So from here, we will find the total gross income that Mr. Rudy gets to pay per year, which is 202 million and 7,000 Mr. Rudy has several things that must be paid, namely office fees of 6 million rubiya and JP fees of 1,200,000 and 4,440,000 rubiya. So the total that Mr. Rudy has to pay per year is 11,640,000. So Mr. Rudy has a yearly net income of 191,120,000. Because Mr. Rudy is married and has one independent or status of K1. Mr. Rudy's non-taxable income is 63 million. So the taxable income per year is 128,120,000. Then we should calculate the Mr. Rudy's PPH 21 a year. First, we will calculate Mr. Rudy's PKP with a 5% tax rate. Which is 3 million rubiya. That we multiply again the result from Mr. Rudy's PKP, which have been reduced by 60 million rubiya, which is 68,120,000 times the 15% tax rate. The result is going to be 10,218,000. So yearly PPH 21 tax that Mr. Rudy's has to pay is 13,218,000, and the tax that Mr. Rudy's paid in January to November was
11,408,700.
because the tax paid was less. So in December, Mr. Rudy's has to pay PPH tax amounting to
1,809,300.
And that's all. This is our explanation of how to calculate PPH 21. Thank you very much for your attention, and we apologize if we had any mistake or anything. Thank you so much, and goodbye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.